Why is it hard to focus lately? Is my brain getting weaker or just distracted?
Every time your phone buzzes or a new tab opens, your brain has to decide what deserves attention. In a world filled with constant notifications and AI-powered content, your focus is being pulled in many directions. The real question is not just why we get distracted, but what actually happens inside the brain when attention breaks. Understanding this may be one of the most important skills for thriving in the AI age.
So, what does that actually mean?
Focus is the ability of your brain to hold one goal steady while ignoring competing signals. It is controlled mainly by your prefrontal cortex, which acts like a manager deciding what matters most. In an AI-driven world where information never stops flowing, the rare skill is not access to knowledge, it is the ability to stay with one idea long enough to understand it deeply. When you protect your attention, you protect your ability to think clearly.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, repeated focus strengthens neural pathways in the prefrontal cortex, which improves decision-making and impulse control. When distractions trigger dopamine circuits, your brain gets small bursts of reward that pull attention away from long-term goals. The amygdala can also react to novelty or stress, shifting your attention toward what feels urgent instead of important. Through neuroplasticity, practicing sustained attention builds stronger circuits for deep thinking over time. Your brain becomes better at choosing focus instead of chasing stimulation.
How does this show up in real life?
In school, focus allows you to understand complex science concepts instead of just memorizing them. In friendships, it helps you truly listen instead of waiting to respond. Under stress, focus keeps you grounded so emotions do not take over your thinking. In future careers such as AI engineer, doctor, designer, or policymaker, deep attention allows you to solve problems that require patience and precision. The people who can concentrate deeply will have an advantage in a distracted world.
So, small equals big?
Yes, every time you resist distraction, you strengthen your brain's focus circuits like building a muscle. Those small repetitions compound into stronger self-control and clearer reasoning. Clear reasoning supports better decisions, and better decisions shape character. Over years, disciplined attention can turn into expertise and leadership. Small daily focus habits grow into powerful cognitive strength.
So, how do I start?
First, choose a thinking step by identifying one clear task before you begin working. Second, choose a feeling step by noticing the urge to check something else and calmly bringing your attention back. Third, choose a behavior step by working in short focused blocks without interruptions. Practice this daily, and your brain will slowly build stronger sustained attention pathways.
What should we do today?
Today, set a timer for 15 minutes and give your full attention to one task. Notice when your mind wanders and gently return it to the goal. After finishing, reflect on how it felt to complete something without interruption. Your attention is one of your most valuable resources in the AI age. Every small moment of chosen focus strengthens your brain's ability to think deeply. Deep thinkers will not be replaced by machines, they will guide how machines are used. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.